Hi everybody, it's Izzy again, and today I will be talking about my most recent math project called Time is Money. For this project, we learned all about linear equations and how to graph them by making a product or service to sell to someone. The idea was to basically make your own mini business and figure out if it would be good and profitable or if it would fail horribly. I chose to bake and sell cookies. For the cookies, I bought one of the bags of cookie dough as I personally find those delicious. I bought one bag of dough, enough for 10 cookies, which cost $3.99. I then decided I wanted to have some form of wrapper to make it more professional. So, I bought little treat bags. I got a pack of 20 bags for $2.97. My final expense was the cost of electricity since I had to bake the cookies in the oven. I said 20 minutes of baking with the oven would cost around 5 cents as electricity is very cheap. Now for the final variable, time. Going shopping to get all the supplies took around 10 minutes as I just went to Safeway and back. Baking took around 20 minutes, and selling the cookies took around 15 minutes. That meant it took around 1 to 2 minutes for each exchange. So, altogether, selling 10 cookies took around 45 minutes. Since I had figured all my different variables out, it was time to put it into an equation to figure out how much I would make an hour. As a class, we decided that profit earnings, which we'll call Y, equaled sale price minus expenses divided by time. So, if we use my business, the equation is 10 minus 7.01 divided by 0.75. The 10 is my selling 10 cookies in an hour, the 7.01 is all my expenses, and the 0.75 is 45 minutes, as 3/4 of an hour is 0.75. All of this equaled $3.80 per hour. Not great. Some other things I figured out about my business was how much profit I would make per cookie. I simply just divided my expenses by 10, as that was the expense for 10 cookies, and then I subtracted that number by 1, the sale price. This equaled 0.3, so I learned that I make around 30 cents profit per cookie. And lastly, but not least, was how much I will make in a year. I've decided that in my business I am extremely driven and I will take no days off, especially since baking cookies are fun, so it's not a horrible job. I said I will work 8 hours a day for 365 days of the year. The equation is simple. Take my hourly wage, 3.80, and times it by 365, and there you go. My total net earnings for the year is $11,096. Oof. This business is really not worth it, as you can see. To work that many hours for that many days and still make much less than a cashier, a babysitter, a sewing machine operator, a dishwasher, and so many more simple jobs. Although baking cookies is a fun thing to do, I think I'll just stick to making them occasionally and eating them myself.